Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wealth and Health, the place where we explore fun and educational content. I'm Adam, and today we have a fantastic topic lined up, budgeting for kids, from allowance to saving goals. If you're a parent or someone interested in teaching kids about money, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Before we jump into budgeting tips, let's talk about why it's crucial to teach kids about money from a young age. Financial literacy is a skill that will benefit them throughout their lives. It helps develop responsible habits and a better understanding of the value of money. One effective way to introduce kids to money is through allowances. It's like a mini income for them to manage. Let's discuss how providing allowances can be a powerful tool for teaching budgeting skills. Start by setting a regular allowance. This helps kids understand the concept of a fixed income, just like adults receive a salary. It's a great way to begin their financial journey. Use the allowance as a tool to teach responsibility. Discuss with your kids the importance of budgeting for both short-term and long-term goals. This sets the foundation for smart financial decisions later in life. Now that your kids have a grasp of managing their allowance, let's move on to the exciting part, creating saving goals. This is where the real magic happens. Help your kids visualize their goals, whether it's saving for a new toy, a special outing, or even for the future. Having a visual representation makes the process more exciting and tangible for them. Consider using a savings jar. It's a hands-on approach that allows kids to physically see their money grow. Plus, it's a fun way to involve them in the saving process. To make budgeting even more enjoyable, incorporate games into the learning process. There are various board games and online resources designed specifically to teach kids about money management. It's learning through play, and there you have it, our guide to budgeting for kids, from allowance to saving goals. Remember, the key is to make it a fun and educational experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow parents, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us today on Wealth and Health. Until next time, happy budgeting.